अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम पढ़ेंगे कायद आज़म के बारे में। फाउंडर ऑफ पाकिस्तान कायद आज़म मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना इज़ आवर नेशनल लीडर। ही वाज बोर्न इन कराची 25 दिसंबर 1876। कायद आज़म is the great founder of our beloved motherland Pakistan. He was the first Governor General of Pakistan. His father's name was Punja Jana. He belonged to a merchant family. He got his early education from Karachi. Then he went to England for higher education. After few years, Jannah came back and started practice as a lawyer. He said that Muslims and Hindus were two different nations and their religions were also different, so they could not live together. Quaid-e-Azam worked hard for Muslims because he thought that Muslim was a good and religious soul people nation. So he worked hard to get a separate homeland for the Muslims of subcontinent. After a long struggle, he got Pakistan on 14th of August 1947. He also started his career with National Indian Congress in 1906. Then, after 7 years, he joined Muslim League for the achievement of Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam had firmly decision-maker personality. He thought separate country for Muslims and then done it. What a beautiful line someone said. If 100 Gandhis were in Muslim League and only one Quaid-e-Azam was in Indian National Congress, Pakistan could not establish its existence. After a long illness, Quaid-e-Azam was died on 1948. Allah rest his soul in Jannah. His tomb is in Karachi. मिलते हैं एक नए टॉपिक के साथ। मेरे चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए। अल्लाह हाफिज़। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज मैं आपको इंडिपेंडेंस डे पे एक स्पीच तैयार करके बता रही हूँ। आई होप आपको ये काफ़ी हेल्पफुल होगी, क्योंकि अगस्त का मंथ चल रहा है और आपके स्कूल्स में अक्सर सेलिब्रेशन की जाती है फंक्शंस पे। इसी लिहाज से मैं आपको एक स्पीच तैयार करके दे रही हूँ। Let's read Independence Day. Assalamu alaikum, honorable principal, respected teachers, dear friends and students. Happy Independence Day to all. Honorable sir, it is 14 August 2024. It is the 77th independence celebration of our dear homeland, Pakistan. Pakistan is the result of years of struggles and sacrifices given by our forefathers. The Pakistan has been independent in the result of our founder Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah's work, hardshipness and sacrifices. Muslims of subcontinents were able to get a separate land of their own where they could live life according to their religion Islam. Allama Iqbal was the greatest Muslim poet. Allama Iqbal was awake our slept nation with his poetry and poems. Dear audience, Muslims could not live freely under British dominance. It was necessary for Muslims to have free land. Now it is responsibility to protect our motherland, Pakistan. There is a huge responsibility on our shoulders. We have to work hard day and night for the progress and welfare of our separate homeland, which we got after great sacrifice of our leaders and women. In the end, we should also respect our children and young students, which are the future of our country, because Iqbal said, अफराद के हाथों में है अक़वाम की तकदीर, हर फर्द है मिल्लत के मुक़द्दर का सितारा। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज मैं आपके लिए टॉपिक लाई हूँ ग्रेट लीडर एंड फिलोसोफर ऑफ पाकिस्तान सर सैयद अहमद ख़ान। आप में से कुछ बच्चों ने नाम तो सुना ही होगा। लेट्स रीड अबाउट सर सैयद अहमद ख़ान। was an Indian educator and politician. He played an important role in the Indian independence movement. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was born into a noble family in Delhi in 1817. His father Mirza Ghulam Ahmad was a prominent figure in the Mughal court. After his father, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan entered government services like many young ones of his generation. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was an advocate for the modernization and education for Muslims in India. In 1838, he traveled to England to study in law at Lincoln Inn. He returned his country after completing his degree. He also participated in politics and do his best for the people of subcontinent. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan promoted education for Muslims. He was a great philosopher and educationist leader. He also wrote books on a range of topics including history, religion and social reform. Allah rest his soul in Jannah for his best doings. आमीन। मेरे चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और मिलते हैं एक नए टॉपिक के साथ। अल्लाह हाफिज़। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे अल्लामा इकबाल के बारे में। और नेशनल पोइट हैं। पहले हम पढ़ चुके हैं कायदे आज़म के बारे में और आपको मैंने इंडिपेंडेंस डे पे एक स्पीच भी दी। ये इसलिए आप इनमें से कोई भी टॉपिक चूज़ कर सकते हैं अपनी क्लास में, अपने स्कूल में, किसी भी फंक्शन में। आप एक तो आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल जाएगी इन पर्सनैलिटीज़ के बारे में जो हमारे ग्रेट लीडर्स भी हैं, नेशनल पोइट भी हैं, नेशनल पर्सनैलिटीज़ हैं हमारी जिन्होंने पाकिस्तान हासिल करने में हमारी मदद की। आपको उनके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन मिला और आप लोग स्पीच वगैरह भी इन टॉपिक्स पे कर सकते हैं। जैसे कि अगस्त का महीना आपको पता है, इसी महीने में हमने पाकिस्तान एक सेपरेट होमलैंड हमें मिला और हम इस दिन को सेलिब्रेट भी करते हैं। 14 अगस्त 1947 पे जो हमने हासिल किया। और 14 अगस्त वाले दिन हर स्कूल में फंक्शंस भी होता है और बच्चों को इसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन होनी भी चाहिए। अल्लामा इकबाल इज़ आवर नेशनल पोइट। ही वाज बोर्न ऑन November 9, 1877. He did his MA from Government College, Lahore. He belonged to a noble family. His father's name was Sheikh Noor Muhammad. His mother was a respectable lady. She trained her son with religious norms. After completing his early education, then he went to England for higher studies. On this return, he practices law. Soon he left it and began to write poems. His poems gave us message of hope and success. He awaked the slept Muslims of subcontinent with his poetry. He gave the idea of Pakistan for Muslims. He also wrote books and poems for children. His famous books are Bale Jibrail, Bange Dara, Zarbe Kaleem, Asrar-e Khudi, Payam-e Mashriq, etc. He wrote books and poems in Urdu, Persian and English. He was a great poet and died on April 21. Allah rest his soul in Jannah. He was buried near the Badshahi Mosque in Lahore. नेक्स्ट मैं आपको एक और टॉपिक दे रही हूँ मीनार पाकिस्तान के बारे में। इंफॉर्मेशन दे रही हूँ कि मीनार पाकिस्तान एक नाम है, एक चीज़ है या एक मोनूमेंट है, क्या है। जो बच्चे नहीं जानते हमारी नेशनल हिस्ट्री के बारे में उनके लिए हैं ये टॉपिक्स। आई होप आपको ये टॉपिक्स अच्छे लगेंगे। मीनार पाकिस्तान इज़ एन इम्पोर्टेंट मोनूमेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान। इट इज़ सिचुएटेड इन द इकबाल पार्क, लाहौर. It is a symbol of our unity of Muslims of subcontinent. Its height is 196 feet. It is a masterpiece of modern architecture. The text of Pakistan movement, Minar Pakistan, remind us the struggle of our forefathers for our motherland, Pakistan. All the meetings of All India Muslim League held on March 23, 1940, where the Pakistan resolution was passed. There are a number of decorated plaques in its lower part of Minar Pakistan. Some of the plaques carry the sayings of Qaid Azam. A plaque has 99 names of Allah Almighty. Mostly people all around the country and world visited the historical place Minar Pakistan. Minar Pakistan is our national monument. अल्लाह गिव ग्रेट प्रोग्रेस टू पाकिस्तान, आमीन। मिलते हैं एक नए टॉपिक के साथ, एक नई पर्सनैलिटी के साथ। मेरे चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए। अल्लाह हाफिज़।